Welcome, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a colorful journey into the world of Roselle Hibiscus, commonly known as Ambadi. Prepare to discover the fascinating secrets, numerous benefits, versatile uses, and the special allure of this remarkable plant. First things first, let's get to know Roselle Hibiscus. It's a tropical shrub that boasts bright green leaves and eye-catching red calyxes. The calyxes are essentially the protective coverings that house the plant seeds. But they're not just for protection, they're also packed with flavor and health. Now, let's dive into the incredible benefits of Roselle Hibiscus. This plant is like nature's pharmacy. It's loaded with vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties. But that's not all. It's also rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals in your body. Plus, it's a good source of essential minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. So, consuming Roselle Hibiscus can support your overall well-being. The versatility of Roselle Hibiscus is truly impressive. In the culinary world, it's a star ingredient. You can use the calyxes to make a refreshing hibiscus tea. It's tangy, slightly citrusy, and incredibly refreshing, especially on a hot day. But it doesn't stop there. You can create jams and jellies that will elevate your breakfast game. And let's not forget about those savory sauces. They add a delightful twist to your dishes. So, what's the secret behind those brilliant red calyxes? Well, they're not just about looks. They're bursting with flavor and health benefits. When you bite into one, you'll experience a delightful combination of tartness and sweetness. It's this unique flavor profile that makes it an exciting addition to both sweet and savory recipes. And as we mentioned earlier, the calyxes are a nutritional powerhouse, making Roselle Hibiscus a true gem in the world of plants. To sum it up, Roselle Hibiscus, or Ambadi, is more than just a pretty plant. It's a source of vibrant color, mouth-watering flavor, and essential nutrients. Whether you're an avid gardener or a culinary enthusiast, this plant brings a touch of magic to your garden and kitchen. It's a true treasure waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of Roselle Hibiscus. We hope you're inspired to cultivate this amazing plant and savor its many delights. Stay tuned for more exciting plant discoveries, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more green adventures.